let's talk about the exponential moving average, one of the most popular, common, loved indicators among traders, either beginners or advanced traders, one of the classical indicators that help to identify, confirm, verify trends, and also give some very good signals. So where do you find that? You go to the section of the indicators, trend, and here you would be able to find the exponential moving average. By default, it comes with the period of 30, but very common levels that traders love using. It's 10 for short-term trading, or 20, 30, 50, 100, and 200 moving average. Let's just, for the example, use it by default. You can, of course, change the parameters here, change the visibility of the lines and the visibility of the time frames. I'll go with default just to present the example. So there are many ways to use the moving average, exponential moving average indicator. One of the most common is the slope. The smoother it goes to the upside or to the downside, the stronger the indication that the trend is healthy. The longer the prices are out above the moving average or below the moving average, the stronger the trend is. And then with retraces, traders love joining the trend. Another very popular way is actually combine different moving averages. For example, we saw the 30, let's combine the 100, choose a different color. And many times traders love using that when they spot crosses, especially when we are in an uptrend, like here, and then the moving average cross each other. That gives a great indication that the trend is going to continue. Similar happens when the moving average come close to each other and then again gain distance from each other, right? Open up a gap from each other. That indicates a strong trend momentum. Another very good way to use the moving average is when they continue with the trend to create sequence of higher highs, higher lows. For example, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, right? And then when it is broken down, for example, here, right, the low of the moving average, and then the moving average cross to the downside, that indicates that the downtrend is taking place. So these are the very common ways to use the moving average indicator. It's very user-friendly, it's very simple, and its simplicity allows traders get great confirmations and great signals from the instruments they trade with.